Still a pig diagnosed. The Rexate. See if it has compression on it. Sorry. The red devil. There's 4 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to charge the battery and see if we can get a start. So any car, before you do any diagnostic, you have to make sure before you crank, you have to make sure you have oil, you have coolant. Try to see this RX-8. See dipstick. Let's see if we have oil on it. That's the first thing right there. We have no oil. See how the dipstick is dry? Sure, there's no oil in there. Check it again. Yeah, it's no oil. So I know where we're going. That's that. Let me pause and let's crank it. So first start to the oil of the smoke. That's already burning it, but I forgot to put play. So the way we gotta run it, we add oil on it and then start.
Ya cuando está así ya no sellan. Ya los Apex ya no sellan. Así está, lo tembloroso es porque nomás está trabajando un housing, un rotor.
So if you can see shaking, it's because of only one rotor is working.
Noté algo que...
Let's try it again. So we'll start. Now the oil is gone. I added oil. I took the spark plugs off. I added oil into it, and then starts right up. But now the oil is burned. Try to crank her again. And the compression is gone.
I didn't balance it.
Alright.
I didn't get the tire balanced. I forgot. Because they did it for free. They installed it and all that for free. I just paid and got out of it. Just let them know if they feel a vibration. Get it
The smoke here. There's all the oil. The smoke.